Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Fayette County in southwestern Pennsylvania, northeastern Greene County in southwestern Pennsylvania, southeastern Washington County in southwestern Pennsylvania until 9:30 p.m. At 8:57 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Jefferson Borough, 8 miles east of Waynesburg, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Uniontown, Waynesburg, Masontown, Brownsville, Fredericktown Millsboro, Jefferson Borough, Fairdale, Fairchance, Isabella, Smithfield, Deemston, Immaculate, Republic, Mariana, Carmichaels, Rice's Landing, New Salem, Grindstone, Greensboro, and Clarksville. This includes Interstate 79 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 12 and 16. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh. This is